Alright, let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you been in the perfect moment, perfect location, perfect lighting, and there's nobody there to film you? No tripod, no cameraman, and you end up missing the shot. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you, you don't actually need anyone anymore? No setup, no controller, nothing complicated. You just take this out of your pocket, place it on your hand, tap one button, and it literally flies up and starts filming you like it knows exactly what it's doing. Tracking you, framing you, getting angles that actually look like a professional shot 'em. Sounds crazy? Yeah, I thought the same thing. But this is the HoverAir X1 Pro. What's up, guys? And today we're checking out one of the smartest, most effortless flying cameras you can get right now. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing surprised me. First off, this thing is tiny. And I don't mean small for a drone, I mean actually pocket size. You can throw it in your pocket, walk out the door, and not even think about it. And that alone changes everything, because most drones feel like equipment. This feels like something you actually want to carry. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's no controller, no sticks, no complicated setup, no learning curve. You press a button, launch it from your hand, and it just goes. It follows you automatically. Walking, running, turning, it keeps up without struggling. And it doesn't feel random either. It actually stays locked on you. That's what impressed me the most. Now in the next part, I'm about to show you something about this camera that most people have never noticed before. Let's talk about the camera. Yeah, it's small, but the footage is way better than you'd expect. It's smooth, stable, and clean, straight out of the camera. No extra work needed. And the biggest thing, you don't have to think. No manual flying, no adjusting angles. It already knows what looks good. You get follow shots, pullbacks, cinematic moves, all automatically. It's basically doing the creative work for you. Now let's keep it real. This is not a drone for long-range flying or big cinematic production. That's not what it's built for. This is for real-life moments. Quick shots, travel clips, content on the go. And in that category, it delivers. Battery life is short. Yeah, but it makes sense. You're not flying this for 30 minutes straight. You take it out, capture what you need, and you're done. Simple. Build quality is solid. It feels light but not cheap. And those enclosed propellers are a big plus. It makes it way safer to use around people, especially if you're a beginner. Now, one thing I really like, speed. This thing is fast. No waiting, no setup stress. Turn it on, launch it, and you're recording in seconds. That's it. And in today's world, that matters. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What should I review next? Back to it. The biggest strength of this drone is simple. It makes everything easy. No stress, no learning curve, no overthinking. And that's exactly why people are gonna love it. Because most people don't need something complicated. They just want something that works. So who should buy this? If you travel, if you make content, even better. If you just want cool shots without asking someone else, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. But if you're a hardcore drone pilot, you'll probably want more control. Final thoughts. The HoverAir X1 Pro isn't trying to compete with big drones. It's doing its own thing. Simple, smart, and honestly, just fun to use. Short review, super easy, super smart, and one of the most convenient camera drones you can carry. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.